Welcome to this guided meditation practice. In this moment, I invite you to take a deep breath, inhaling peace and exhaling any stress you may be carrying. As you close your eyes, allow yourself to let go of any distractions and simply be present with yourself. Feel your feet grounded on the floor or the earth beneath you, and let this sensation anchor you in the present moment. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine a sense of calm spreading through your body, starting at your toes and working its way up to the crown of your head. Let any tension or worries melt away, giving yourself permission to be fully present and at peace. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more and more relaxed, more and more centered. Imagine a soft, warm light surrounding you, protecting you, and filling you with positive energy. This light is your own inner strength, your own inner love, and it is always available to you. Notice any sensations in your body, any thoughts that come up, and simply observe them without judgment. If your mind wanders, gently bring your attention back to your breath, back to the present moment. Remember that this is a safe and peaceful space for you to connect with yourself. Take as much time as you need to simply be present, breathing and letting go. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes, feeling refreshed and centered for whatever comes next in your day. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. Remember that this feeling of peace and calm is always available to you whenever you need it.